Stage 1 milspec B series tugged harness is made with all milspec components. The wire used is a Teflon high temp airframe wire with a rated temperature of 150 degrees Celsius with a tin plate copper conductor and is rated at 600 volts. The expandable sleeving is also flame retardant. It's both lightweight and cut abrasive resistant. It resists gasoline and other engine chemicals. And it also has a melting temperature of 250 degrees Celsius. Individual color wires are used for easy identification for each sensor. Also, service looms are inquired into the ECU connectors at every termination for maintenance purposes.